In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that it says that there's no network setup or your network adapter drivers are not working or being able to be found. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in network reset. Best results come back with network reset. Go ahead and open that up. It says this will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now option and select Yes. And then save and close out of any open programs and applications, and then proceed to restart your computer at this time. And then once you're back into Windows, you will need to have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby because you will need them in order to get back on the internet. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.